Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the daily time frame, I think gold looks like it ended a pullback right here. If it did end a pullback, then it will go up and make new highs. It will go all the way back up to all-time highs again. And it doesn't have to stop at this 378%. I mean, gold potentially could go much, much, much higher, especially looking at the weekly and the monthly time frames. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally would be recommending longs only. Now, we definitely got a nice impulsive up. We got a corrective down. I mean, this could be a wave one. This could be a wave two. We could be in the middle of a wave three right now. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now. As of right now, for me, the only strategy would be to either wait patiently for an exit or wait patiently for a pullback to go long again. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now at the top of a move. So I would either be waiting for pullbacks to go long again, or I would be holding on to trades that I'm already in, waiting patiently for a proper exit. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.